Everyday useful questions and sentences. Are we done? Tapos na ba tayo? Are we prepared? Handa na ba tayo? Change is coming. Paparating na ang pagbabago. Did you make it? Ginawa mo ba? Do you remember? Naaalala mo na ba? Don't be greedy. Huwag maging sakim. Everybody knows. Alam ng lahat. Everyone agreed. Sumang-ayon ang lahat. Everyone looked. Ang lahat ay tumingin. Everybody clapped. Lahat ay pumalakpak. Everybody prayed. Lahat ay nanalangin. Everybody smiled. Lahat ay ngumiti. Everybody waited. Lahat ay naghintay. Get back inside. Bumalik ka sa loob. Green suits you. Bagay sa'yo ang luntian. He bought a hat. Bumili siya ng sombrero. He intrigues me. Iniintriga niya ako. He was standing in front of me. Nakatindig siya sa harapan ko. Hold the candle. Hawakan mo ang kandila. How do you feel? Anong pakiramdam mo? How did you do it? Paano mo ginawa yon? I am speechless. Wala akong masabi. I couldn't stop. Hindi ako makatigil. I couldn't wait. Hindi ako makapaghintay. I didn't scream. Hindi ako sumigaw. I have to leave. Kailangan ko nang umalis. I haven't tried. Hindi ko pa nasubukan. I know that you know. Alam kong alam mo. She turned on the light. Binuksan niya ang ilaw. She went out for a walk. Lumabas siya para maglakad-lakad. Sorry, we're full today. Pasensya na, puno na kami ngayon. Thank you for assisting me. Salamat sa pagtulong sa akin. That's perfectly normal. Pangkaraniwan na yon. Their car overtook ours. Inunahan nila ang aming sasakyan. They laughed at my idea. Tinawanan nila ang aking ideya. They were afraid of you. Natakot sila sa'yo. They will agree in that. Magsasang-ayon sila roon. This book is very thick. Napakakapal ng librong ito. This food smells rotten. Bulok ang amoy nitong pagkain. Those flowers have died. Namatay na yung mga bulaklak. She went out of the taxi. Lumabas siya ng taxi. She knows what you need. Alam niya kung ano ang kailangan mo. She sat down and waited. Naupo siya at naghintay. We all wish for peace. Hangad nating lahat ang kapayapaan. We dined at our uncle's. Naghapunan kami sa tito ko. What do you want to say? Anong gusto mong sabihin? Which of this is yours? Alin dito ang sayo? Who are you waiting for? Sino ang hinihintay mo? Who lives in that house? Sino nakatira sa bahay na yon? Why are you thanking me? Bakit mo ako pinapasalamatan? Why did you buy flowers? Bakit ka bumili ng mga bulaklak? Why do people tell lies? Bakit kaya nagsisinungaling ang mga tao? You aren't kids anymore. Hindi na kayo mga bata. You left your lights on. Nakalimutan mong patayin ang ilaw. You must make an effort. Dapat magsikap ka. You two are really kind. Talagang mabait kayong dalawa. Don't leave me behind. Huwag mo akong iwanan. Have you eaten dinner? Naghapunan ka na ba? He came to pick me up. Pumarito siya para sunduin ako. How can I become rich? Paano ba ako yayaman? I can't find my watch. Hindi ko mahanap ang relo ko. I didn't get his joke. Hindi ko naintindihan ang biro niya. I didn't see anything. Wala akong nakita. I know you are smart. Alam kong matalino ka. I remember that night. Naalala ko ang gabing iyon. I think he won't come. Sa tingin ko, hindi na siya dadating. I walked about a mile. May 1 milya ang nilakad ko. I won't lose anything. Walang mawawala sa akin. I wonder who they are. Nagtataka ako kung sino sila. It might rain tonight. Maaaring umulan ngayong gabi.